Most users create under one campaign, they create only one ad set and only one ad. So this is not the best optimized version. So if you want to optimize your Facebook ad campaign, then you have to create multiple ad sets and multiple ads. Then and also you have to enable the campaign budget optimization at the campaign level. So when you do these steps while running while setting your Facebook ads campaign, then your budget will be consumed throughout the campaign at optimum level, so to get the better results out of your budget. And here when you create the more than one ad set or more than one ad, then you can target, okay, you can target different audiences. Okay, so you will get the one result with the one set of audience, and you will get the another set of results with the B set. So okay, here in which sheet, okay, so whether the first version of audience or second version of audience, in which you will get the better results, your budget will be consumed on those ad sets, on those audiences, so at optimum level. So it is better to go with the more than one ad set and more than one ad while setting the Facebook ads. And also you can also test the which placements are working better, so whether working Facebook stories or whether working Instagram stories, or whether working Facebook desktop newsfeed or mobile newsfeed. So like that you can test different placements also. So when you set up the more than one ad set or more than one ad. And here you can also text different ad copy. Okay, so if you change the ad copy, the results also change. But if you continue with the same ad copy for entire campaign or entire your budget, so then you may not get the better results. So to get the better results, so you have to create more than one ad under the ad sets. So your budget will be optimized throughout your ad sets and throughout your ads. Include video or image, so different versions of image or different versions of video, and you can test which version is working better and which version is bringing the best results. When you go with only one ad, so then your entire budget will be consumed only that ad. So but when you have the more than one ad, then you can test the which image is working better and which video is working better and which ad copy, that is description working better, so which headlines are working better. So you can test all these things while you when you create the more than one ad. So it is highly recommend you to while running Facebook ads, so for any business whatever it may be, it's a bakery shop or it's a real estate business or jewelry business, so whatever the business, while running the Facebook ads, you have to set up more than one ad and more than one ad set so in the Facebook ads. So and also you have to enable the CBO, campaign budget optimization, at the campaign level to get the better results out of your budget. Okay guys, I hope this small video will help you. If you love video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.